I'm Chitty. Speed 1 terahertz, memory 1 gigabytes. I'm a robot, a machine developed by human for doing a specific job or purpose.
Hey Devatis, who is he? You didn't recognize him, he is Chitty the robot. I have assembled him, let me show it. Chitty, right hand up. Chitty, left hand up. Chitty, right leg up.
Oh no, what happened? Why is he not listening?
I think there's some error, let me fix it.
Now let me try. Chitty, right leg up. Nice.
Satakshi, do you want to ask some questions you can ask?
Of course. Chitty, what kind of jobs can robots do?
I'm a robot. I do jobs that humans can do or cannot do, like repeating the same job again and again, or if it is very dangerous.
Amazing. And Chitty, what are you made up of?
I am made up of metal. Error. Hello world. I'm Chitty. Speed 1 terahertz, memory 1 gigabytes. I'm Intel inside, mental outside.
Oh my god, what did you just say?
I think there's some problem in its circuits, let me fix it.
Okay, let me try. Chitty, show me how to jump. Nice, he's working again.